Do you know what is SIP? Systematic investment plan? No, it's not just a systematic investment plan. Hello, I'm Devita Unatkar and I am pursuing my master's, that is MBA, from IBS Dehradun. So, coming back to the topic, SIP, which is a summer internship program which happens between your 2 semesters, or we can say the 2 year gap. So in this internship, the students work in the company and get the knowledge and implies their theoretical knowledge into the practical knowledge. And this helps them to grow, to understand the work culture, to understand how the actual work's going into place. A lot of where you have studied about how does it work, what does it work, but never applied it. So in this internship, before getting to the placement, you have a gist of how the work culture is. Elaborating more on this, if I say, in the college itself you get a company college guide, which helps you how to work on it, and also guides you where you have been stopped or anything which you have confusion over it. And talking about the company, you get as well a company guide which is always there to help you out, and if there is any issues it can be solved. And talking about my personal experience of this internship, so it helped me to gain lots of financial knowledge which I was unaware of it, or I could say a little bit aware of it, which helped me to gain how do I work in this environment and what is the actual use of it. And there are some topics which were only studied in the theoretical part, mutual fund, equity, which didn't help me out, like what should I do to know this. So when coming into the internship part, I got to know that how does it work and what is the actual implication to it and various strategies. So basically the internship program helped me to grow, to become more confident on the working styles, and also if I recommend, it helps you to manage your work life balance, which you cannot do in the college life. So welcome to the IBS and hope it's helpful.